What kinds of life insurance can you get at work? Often an employer will offer a free basic group life insurance policy to employees. The benefit paid out will typically be $25,000 to $50,000 or 1 year's salary. While this amount will likely cover medical and burial expenses in the event of your death, there may not be much left over for your family and loved ones. If you have loved ones that depend on your income, you may want to consider supplemental life insurance. You may have the option to purchase supplemental life insurance along with your employer's group policy. Supplemental life insurance will increase the benefit paid out to your family, sometimes 3 or 4 times your annual salary. Purchasing through your employer's marketplace will generally be the least expensive way to obtain a life insurance policy. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.